Now I will show you how to use remote controller to control the spackle machines. This is our remote controller. Let's see the GL of the machine first. This is a IEC in and power switch. This is DMX in and DMX out. This is a digital display with 3 buttons. First, let's plug in power and turn on the switch. You can see the dots are choosing one by one. This means the machine is warming up now. Machine can only work when it reaches a constant temperature at about 700 degrees. Now, when we press the middle button, you can see the temperature shows. Let's tell you how to set the DMX channel. Here it shows one channel. If we want to change it, we press this button, then press up and down to choose numbers, then press the first button to confirm it. Save the changes. So now you can see we have changed it to DMX channel 2. So how about if you want to change it to like 100? When the first letter flashes, you press up and down to choose your numbers. Yeah, the second is the same. You press the up and down to choose numbers too. When finish the setting, just press the first button too. Okay, let's come to the remote controller. It has 4 buttons. The first button, A, is stop, B is for low speed, C is for medium speed, while D is for high speed. We press the middle button to see the temperature. So now it's not ready, but let's just show you how it looks like when we press the remote button. Okay, this is the lowest speed. You can see just 1 dash, B 2 dash, D 3 dashes. We press A to stop the machine working. It's very simple.